And it starts with radical Pan-Africanism, continental unity. What happened at the Berlin Conference, where the scrabble for Africa took place? These people cut the country, the continent of the African continent, like they were cutting cake. They didn't care that Basotho, they could cut Unotsua one day, Rakhadiwa how? Ili a foreigner. Tomorrow, literally, today, you belong to one country, tomorrow she's a foreigner. They cut the Banyamulenga in between. They cut so many communities in between. Amaswati, Batswana, Basotho, people who belong together. Today, they think they are foreigners to each other. You were not even invited. Your opinion was not even asked as to which border must take place at which part. These borders you were not consulted for. But the premise of Pan-Africanism is to accept that what God created were states that are generally not viable. But at the center, economic progress has to happen at a continental level. That's the first premise. The second premise is you've got to unite along ethnic lines. And the ethnic lines remain the source of conflict in many parts of the continent.